Hello and welcome. My name is Ciria Trujillo and I'm your escrow officer with First American Title. I'm proud to announce that we're currently celebrating our 120 years in the title industry, and I'm very happy to be part of that family. As your escrow officer, my vital role is to ensure that all information is accurate, consistent, and that everyone meets their obligations stated on that purchase contract by functioning as a neutral third party. Therefore, whether you're selling or buying, relocating, or upgrading to a bigger home, my goal is to make your experience the most pleasant and worry-free. During your transaction, feel free to call me with any questions, and I look forward to meeting you and working with you.